Hey DIYers, DIY Dad here, and today we're going to turbocharge our outdoor cleanup game with two incredible tools from HeartlandAmerica.com, the Sunjoe Jet Blower and the Ultra Broom V-Sweep. Let's get ready to blast away leaves and tidy up like never before. This broom is a total game changer. With a revolutionary V-shaped design, it centers dirt and grime into nice neat piles, making cleanup a breeze. This broom is tough yet lightweight, crafted from durable plastic nylon. It has an adjustable width from 18.5 inches to 20 inches and a telescopic handle reaching a length of 55 inches. You can lock it to hold the V position and customize it to suit your needs. It's compact for convenient storage because let's face it DIYers, we need a little extra space in our garage. Head over to HeartlandAmerica.com, SKU number 63153. Trust me folks, your yard and driveway will appreciate it. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy DIYing!